Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to give access to Google Drive. To give access to Google Drive is a quite simple process. For this, you need to open your Google Drive application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged in to your Google account. After this, here you'll be taken to home page. Now here you can select the file that you want to give access to. I'm just going to tap on Files option present on the down right corner and select one of the files present. After this, tap on the three dots present on the side. Then tap on Manage Access option on the second. Now, here you'll be taken to this page. Now here you can provide individual access to people. For that, tap on person icon with plus sign on the top. Then here you can enter the person's Gmail ID that you want to give access to. Tap on Editor option, then you'll be able to find three levels of modes. Viewer mode enables others to only view files in folder. Commenter mode enables others to view and comment on file, and Editor mode allows others to view, comment and edit on files. So choose the appropriate level of mode based on your need. After this, tap on the plane icon present on the top. With this, now you'll be able to provide access to your file to that specific person. Now, if you don't want to go through this process, then you can again tap on the three dots present on the side of the file that you want to share. Then tap on Manage Access option on the second. Now you'll be able to find Restricted option. Tap on Change option. Now tap on Restricted option present on the top. Then tap on Anyone with the link option. After this, you will be taken to this interface. Now here, tap on Viewer option present on down. Then here you can choose the mode of accessibility to anyone who has the folder. I'm going on with Editor mode. After you do so, now tap on the small oval icon present on the top right corner. After you do so, you'll be able to copy the link of the folder. Now you can share the link of the folder to anyone through different kind of platforms. With this, the person with the link will be able to have access to your folder. This is how we can give access to Google Drive. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.